Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I've had a few people ask me about the grill slash smoker that's on the back of my trailer. Well, this is it right here. It's a 72-inch Assassin grill. If you go on the Assassin's website, it'll be listed on the grills, but this thing is a hell of a combination of a grill slash smoker. They come in a 72-inch size, like this. They come in a 32, and they also come in a 48. Well, let me walk you around it for a minute. That's the name of the company, Assassin Smokers and Grills. They're out of Macon, Georgia. On this particular one, I wanted a front load. They generally come with the firebox or the charcoal chute on the side. I requested mine in the front since I'm on the trailer and I can just walk out my back door and be right at my boxes. This one has 2 of them. Also has 2 gauges. Also has 2 smokestacks. You can get those smokestacks as big as you want. If you want wider smokestacks to get more draw, you can certainly get that. But let me walk you through for a minute. I just finished hitting it with the blowtorch inside to try to clean it out. And it's a 72-inch wide grill. I don't have offhand the exact measurements of the actual grates and how long they are. I will pull them out for you. And sorry for the video, I'm actually freehanding this. I don't have my stand today. So these are the grates. You can put an awful lot of meat on these grates, trust me. Ample amounts of pork butt. That's the bottom one. Here's the top one. The top one's a little bit narrower, but I mean, if you get the premise of it, you can stack a lot of meat in this particular smoker slash grill. Let me push them back in. I just finished hitting them with my blowtorch to try to get that grease and everything off of them. But let me open up one of the charcoal chutes down here. This one's gonna be a little messy. Pardon all the mess. But anyway, you've got a water pan. Well, actually, this is the charcoal tray. I like I said, I'm cleaning it out. It comes with a water pan, a charcoal tray, and an ash pan. This is the charcoal tray. Let me open up the other side. Hold on one second. Sorry about that. All right, let me open up this side right here. This side is actually cleaning it right now. This is your ash pan. Comes with a pretty long ash pan. You've got a pretty deep charcoal tray, and then they all come with a water pan. This particular water pan, I was cooking some briskets in, so I've got a piece of cardboard in there. But you've got a very deep and thick water pan. 1/4-inch steel on those water pans, and on the charcoal tray. And the ash pan is a little bit thinner, but it's a 3-pan configuration. 3-pan configuration. Water pan, if you need it, charcoal tray, and an ash pan. And generally what I do, if I'm going to smoke, I'll light it up on this side. I'll light it up on the left-hand side, maybe about 10 inches in. And I'll run my wood and my charcoal on that side. Put all my meat pretty much from here all the way over. And close off this chute. Open up that one. And off I go smoking. I mean, this thing can operate as a damn good smoker and a damn good grill. I've taken this thing, a smaller version of 36, to the World Food Championship twice in Las Vegas, and did a 3rd place brisket out of the top 100 teams in the country, and also some 9th place ribs a year prior on these things. These things can cook. And then this pan right here, let me open it back up. This pan right here, you can get, it's optional. This is what they call a V pan. You can take your water pan out and you can put a V pan in, and you can do you some grilling with the V pan. It has a few slits in the back. I would take it all the way out. Let me see if I can take it out a little bit more. This is the V pan. You still have room for a little bit of the flame and a lot of the smoke and a lot of the heat to come through, but it really blocks it a lot so that you're not charring up your food. And this is called a V pan. You can get it with that. It's optional. And like I say, it's a 3-pan configuration. If you take the water pan out and use the V pan for grilling, they're interchangeable. Everything's pretty much interchangeable. And so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Like I say, you can get these with the front load like this, You can get them with the side load, or you can actually get them where you can load it. Let me take you around back, where you can load it in the back. And this is the back of it. And this is the side of it. And I've got mine mounted in. And this is a side view of it. It's a pretty sweet grill. It fits my smoker, my deck perfect. I've got a 6-foot deck on the back of my trailer, and it fits the deck perfect. As you can see, I can swing my door open with no problems. And it's just a beautiful little unit, man. If you're looking and interested in one, contact Jeff or Rachel at Assassin Smokers. I'll leave the website address and everything in the comments, and pick you up one. You guys stay blessed. Catch you on the next video. Also, I forgot to mention, right here you've got your dampers, open and close. This is the left-hand side of it. This is usually closed for me because I usually have my wood right here, and I usually have this one on this side open, cracked a little bit, because I want a nice draft to come from here and out this smokestack, which actually stays open when I'm smoking, and this actually is closed. So there you have it. It's a front load Assassin 72, and I hope this helped you guys out. Any questions, comments, just leave them in the comment section and I'll answer them as I see them. Be easy.